It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Friday, the 2nd of February. I'm Michael Groff. Dry weather and well above average temperatures will be the rule for at least the next 7 days here across the desert Southwest. But could there be something, maybe just a little wrinkle in the forecast way out there toward the end of the period, which we'll talk about? Let's take a look at it. 80 degrees was the high in the valley yesterday after a morning low of 50. And outside right now, here at 8:30 a.m., we are under mostly clear skies. 54 degrees right now at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 26, humidity 35%. The winds are light, and the barometer is steady. Temperatures across south central Arizona this morning, most of us in the low 40s to low 50s. The water vapor satellite view continues to show the dominant weather feature is high pressure here in the southwest. Pacific weather systems and troughs continue to pass through the northern tier states. This is more of a spring pattern than a winter pattern, as I've discussed repeatedly throughout the last several months. And on the watch warning map, pretty quiet out there. A few winter weather advisories in the northern Rockies and parts of the Northeast, specifically central New York, with some lake effect snows going on, but otherwise, not a whole lot out there. The convective outlook, quiet as a mouse once again. No organized severe weather, no thunderstorm areas across the nation. And rainfall for the next 7 days coming off the WPC. This is valid through next Friday morning. Nothing for us here in the valley, nothing statewide. All right, let's see what the models have to say about all of this now as we get out to the GFS, the 06Z run. This is valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. The upper look at 500 millibars. Ridging along the west coast, a dry northwest flow in place, and you know the story by now. Down at the surface, a sunny sky today. Pleasant temperatures, highs upper 70s and low 80s. Tonight, with a very dry air mass, low dew points, no soil moisture, temperatures drop off very quickly. Lows 40 to 50 for most of us. And then tomorrow, once again, mostly sunny skies, upper 70s and low 80s. Same story on Sunday and Monday. We could be pushing for the low and maybe even mid 80s out there toward the early part of next week, especially by Tuesday. The latest guidance coming in with highs around 82 to 84 here in Phoenix by then. So we'll keep that in mind. We're pushing toward record levels. Wednesday, a pretty interesting feature here. The GFS continues to develop a cutoff lows somewhere over the northern Baja coast or northwest Mexico sometime toward the middle part of next week. If that's right, moisture increases to the south of the state. High temperatures likely fall back just a little bit, maybe upper 70s to about 80. On Thursday, that feature continues to sit around, and we see a developing short wave over the Pacific Northwest. This is a week from today, Friday, the 9th of February. That short wave continues to drop through the Great Basin. Moisture on the increase. We turn partly sunny and high temperatures in the mid and upper 70s. This is Saturday the 10th, and the GFS now comes in with a solution that shows the system retrograding towards central California, central Nevada. Moisture continues to pick up. A chance of showers would come into the mix, maybe some mountain snows. High temperatures would be backing off, likely only in the mid and upper 60s. And then look at this, the end of the 10-day forecast period, Sunday the 11th of February, and that looks very cool, wet, unsettled here in the southwest. Maybe some heavy rain, mountain snows, but this is a clear outlier solution. We have seen the GFS trending in this direction over the last several runs, but none of the ensemble members support this, or very few of them do. And certainly the European, as we show you this at the very same time. This is again Sunday the 11th of February. The European is dry as a bone and high temperatures still way above average, around 80 degrees. So right now, we're going to discount this and go with the idea of a persistent dry weather forecast, but it's something that's worth watching, that's for sure. Let's check the numbers coming off of the GFS ensemble through the period, and indeed, the ensemble keeps us warm and dry. High temperatures, upper 70s to mid 80s, and that probably looks about right. I mean, even though it doesn't really look right, climatologically speaking, that's probably the better solution. That's going to wrap it up for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video comes back here on Monday morning. So you guys have yourselves a great weekend. Be safe out there. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe to us so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. You can always click the like button as well. You know, that really helps out. And we'll see you back here on Monday.